Halo para pecinta sejarah dan penggemar budaya Jepang. Selamat datang di channel Richostar, tempat di mana kita akan menyelami kedalaman dan kekayaan sejarah Jepang yang menakjubkan. Dari zaman samurai hingga era modern, bersiaplah untuk menjelajahi cerita-cerita menarik yang telah membentuk negeri matahari terbit. Mari kita mulai perjalanan kita ke masa lalu yang penuh warna dan keajaiban ini.
Hello guys.
Have you ever wondered how the fascinating history of Japan began? Let's journey back in time to the Jomon period, stretching from 13,000 BC to 300 BC. This era marks the first known habitation of the Japanese archipelago. Imagine a time when the people of Japan were hunters and gatherers, creating intricate pottery and living in harmony with nature. Then we move forward to the Yayoi period, from 300 BC to 300 AD. This period witnessed significant advancements as rice cultivation began and metal tools were introduced. The society became more sophisticated and organized, and the foundations of modern Japan started to take shape. Our journey doesn't stop there. We now enter the Kofun period, from 300 to 710 AD. This era marked the creation of the Yamato state, the bedrock of the Japanese nation-state that would continue to evolve over the centuries. The foundation of Japan as we know it was set during these early periods, shaping the nation's future. Moving forward in time, we reach the classical and feudal eras of Japan. It's a journey back to the Nara period, from 710 to 794 AD, where Buddhism began to hold sway. This was a time when the influence of the spiritual seeped into the fabric of Japanese society, coloring its culture, art, and philosophy with the wisdom of the Buddha. Next, we glide into the Heian period, stretching from 794 to 1185 AD. This was an era of refinement and elegance where the imperial court was established and the aristocracy flourished. Poetry, literature, and art blossomed in this period, painting a rich tapestry of cultural sophistication. Then, the winds of change blew us into the Kamakura period, lasting from 1185 to 1333, followed by the Muromachi period from 1336 to 1573, and the Azuchi Momoyama period from 1573 to 1603. These were the times when the samurai class rose to prominence, and the shogunate system took root. The warrior's code, Bushido, permeated society, shaping Japan's ethos of honor, loyalty, and bravery. These eras were not just about power shifts and societal changes. They were about the spirit of a people, their resilience, their adaptability, and their relentless pursuit of harmony, even amidst strife and struggle. The power dynamics of Japan shifted drastically during these periods, setting the stage for a unified Japan. As we step into the Edo period, Japan began to close its doors to the outside world. From 1603 to 1868, Japan adopted isolationist policies under the Tokugawa shogunate. This era, known as the Edo period, was marked by remarkable stability and the flourishing of arts. Kabuki theater, sumo wrestling, and the iconic ukiyo-e woodblock prints emerged during this time, showcasing the rich tapestry of Japanese culture. But as the curtains fell on the Edo period, a new era dawned. The Meiji period, spanning from 1868 to 1912, was a time of rapid modernization and westernization. The samurai were replaced by a modern Western-style army. Education was reformed, industries were established, and the country's infrastructure was significantly improved. This trend of modernization continued into the Taisho era, from 1912 to 1926, and the Showa era, from 1926 to 1989. During these periods, Japan played significant roles in both World War I and II, a testament to its growing global influence. The Edo period's isolation contrasted starkly with the rapid modernization that followed, marking a significant shift in Japan's history. From a secluded, stable society blossoming with traditional arts, Japan transformed into a global powerhouse, embracing the winds of change and innovation. This journey from isolation to modernization is a remarkable chapter in the grand narrative of Japan's history. In the aftermath of World War II, Japan underwent a remarkable transformation. With the American occupation came a new constitution, establishing a democratic government and emphasizing individual rights. This shift, coupled with a determined populace, set the stage for an economic miracle. Japan's industries, once shattered, were rebuilt with such speed and efficiency that they soon catapulted the nation into becoming an economic powerhouse. The Heisei era, spanning from 1989 to 2019, brought with it a period of peace and prosperity. Then came the Reiwa era, starting in 2019 and continuing today, characterized by Japan standing as a leading nation in technology. From robotics to electronics, Japan's innovative spirit continues to shape the world's technological landscape. Yet beyond its technological prowess, Japan thrives as a cultural goldmine. Its unique blend of tradition and modernity captivates the global audience, enriching the world's cultural tapestry. From the ashes of war, Japan has risen to become a beacon of resilience, innovation, and cultural richness. From ancient times to the present, Japan's history is a tapestry of fascinating eras and pivotal moments. We journeyed from the origins, through the classical and feudal periods, where samurais and shoguns played a significant role. We moved on to the Edo period, a time of isolation and cultural growth before diving into the era of modernization. We concluded with post-war Japan, a time of rebirth and prosperity. So the next time you think of Japan, remember the rich history that has shaped this remarkable nation.